The puppies are 4 weeks old today. Here are Francine's puppies. Looks like Crystal's girl just woke up. She's just always on a mission to nurse. I'd like to get both of them in here. Okay, if I turn my camera, then I think I'll be sideways, so I won't do that on you. See if I can back up. Well, sorry, that's a little gross. The puppy left the bed to go into the litter box, but then Mama cleaned up after her. So that's a good thing. She mostly made it, well, a little bit. She didn't quite make it in, but she's getting the idea. Dear good Mama. Well, these puppies were just playing. Let me see if I can get any action here. Besides nursing. So the lightest one is the girl. Let's see if I can see. Right there. This is I think the darkest boy. Well, their colors are changing a little. I have to look at them side by side. Because see that little dot right there? The girl is the easy one to identify. See her face. Hey Mama, try to record your puppies. Well, I missed when they were playing. Maybe they'll play again. Come here, Mama. Francine, come here. Come out so I can record your puppies. Come here. Come here. I know, you're a good Mama. Okay, let's just have you move over then. I just barely missed them. Are you gonna play? Are you gonna play instead of nurse? Hey? Come here, Francine. Come here. Come out. Come out for a minute. Oh, good. Thank you. Okay. Just stay out for a minute so I can get your puppies. Here. There's some action. This is the fun time where you just start to see little bits of temperament emerge. In the next 2 weeks, we'll see a lot more. So again, this is the girl, the lightest one. The other 3 are boys. So if you see that bit of blood there, that's from Mama. That's just normal discharge after having babies. Okay, so this boy has a little white blaze. That's how I would describe him. And then these 2 side by side. One of them was a lot darker than the other, but they're getting harder to distinguish between because the colors are getting more similar. This one has a little dot on his forehead, and this one kind of does too, but that's the darkest one. Whoops. She's back. I wasn't quite done, Mama. Francine, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Want a treat? Oh, what's your treat? Here. It's a piece of food. That wasn't very nice. But I just need you to stay out for a minute. So when we were first introducing the litter box, we put it right next to their bed because they're just learning to leave their bed and to go somewhere else to potty. So as they get more experience with the litter box, then we'll start moving it further and further away and make their space bigger. But if their world is too big, then it can actually delay their potty training. And I don't remember if I said this in my last video or not, but I'd like to put their food here to block them, because if they have the choice between the pad and the litter box, they tend to use the pad. So I put their food there. Sometimes they climb around and will still go where there's a pad, but putting food there does help. Well, there's a little video. I think somebody just drove up to our house, so I'll have to cut this short, but I'll try to take another video later. There's Crystal's puppy chewing on the pad. Here, you want to go down there with the others? Let me move Mama out of the way. For sure. I can't put her in there with Francine just yet because Francine thinks she's going to eat her food. So she might not be very nice. Come here, Francine. You have to go out so this puppy can play. Whoops. Someone's at my door, so I'll try to take another video later.